everyone, it's Dragana from Saacibo. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have my gel plate here. It's a newly set one. There is a video in which I make this jelly plate originally, and then 10 months later I remelt it, and this is the continuation of that second video. We've done a few prints in that video. It's this one and a few more. So I've just decided to keep going. I have a lot of scrap paper here. It's tissue paper. It's perfect for my collage papers. And I have a few stencils. So I just want to turn those paper into something that I can really use and add a few more details to it. So yeah, this is going to be about using stencils on gel plate. It can be handmade stencils or they can be store-bought stencils. I'm gonna use mainly just black because I kind of like that black on white with a bit of rust. Okay, let's put some black paint. I usually mix my paint on a piece of acetate just on the side, and then I apply the paint onto the gel plate. If I do it the other way around, where you just add the paint straight to the jelly plate, for some reason on homemade plates it just doesn't work as nice. You end up with some splotches. I have quite a few of these that I've actually never used. I got them on AliExpress, but I never used them. I don't know why. So I'm going to make some collage papers today using these. They need to be used. I guess I bought them for that purpose. So I'm just going to place them down. They're like geometrical shapes. Alright, now let's grab some of that scrap paper. Which side do we like? Love this. Beautiful. I can cut these up and use them. Oh my god, I love them. Okay, let's remove this now. Okay, let's use this one. So today we're using this black paint on white paper that's been stained with various colors. Beautiful. Love this one too. Okay, let's get more paint on the plate. I love how smooth my plate is. Yeah, I'm glad I reset it because it was a bit damaged before that. Okay, let's use some more stencils. These came in a pack of quite a few together, and honestly never used them. I just want to use them now. I want to try each and every one. I've had them for years. Love it. Gorgeous print too. I'm going to use this one to get even more. Let's lift those up. Really beautiful. There's a few more I haven't tried, so I'm going to try these. Right. Ones with circles. Maybe I can do these like that. So I've used this one obviously. It's white dirty. Maybe like that. Wow, beautiful designs, love it. I'll use this one again. I've been using it a few times already, but that's all right. Who knows, I might end up with the best looking paper in the end. It's just that this paper has a lot of white paint on one side that has dried out. So I decided one has to be real scrap paper. Okay, let's pick those up. Nice. So I think I made all my stencils dirty, and I think I want to do one with the bubble wrap. So I'm going to spread this paint here. I'm going to pick up the color with that and then put it here like that. Some more. It is torn. Okay, so I'm going to tear it up anyway. Nice, love it. Oops. Okay, I'll just clean this up and then we'll go through all the prints. I'm so happy with these prints. They're quite simple. We only used black and we reused some papers that we had from before that was stained with a bit of rust and some other paints. So no waste, and this is really great. I'm very, very happy with how it turned out. Let's just go through them. This is the first take, that's the second one. So they're always like, what's white here, it's black here, if you know what I mean. So this one's very nice too. I love that rust there. Cool. This one as well. And if I wanted to have more rust here, I can just go and spray a little bit more with some inks, perhaps with some watercolors, or with just rust, and I would be able to have different colors too. And that's a nice one as well. So that's the opposite of that. Yeah, gorgeous. And that's the one we've done with bubble wrap, and they're just two cleanup papers. In the end, I don't know if I'm going to keep using them as the cleanup papers or I'm going to print something else on top. I'm not sure, but I'm very happy with these ones, and I would just want to add to my collection the ones that I've done in that other video, which actually inspired me to do this, and that was the cleanup paper for that one. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you some ideas on how you can reuse your tissue paper and make some interesting collage papers with just black paint and some basic stencils. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.